are in the middle of Lake Livingston. Michael's sleeping on the ground of the boat. Enoch's eating, just finished some fruit snacks. And we are in the middle of the lake. Going to an island. Going to that island right there. I hope we make it. And now we paddled all the way across. And here is that island. And there's some birds that are really pretty. And we came from all the way over there. And this is also the island. Now we're gonna go on the beach. Enoch, how are you? And Michael slept for about half the way. He's doing okay. Oh, it's kind of hot. Need to go swimming. And this is us in the middle of the lake. On the way back, both kids had a meltdown. Mom got mad at Daddy for putting us in this situation. And now Mom successfully made both kids happy. And we're almost there.